this weekend, it's a long weekend. The kids have Veterans Day? Yeah, Veterans Day off on Monday. We've been kind of thinking about taking the camper out and doing one kind of last big family weekend getaway, because I'll be back on coal here in about a week. And I thought it'd be fun to go back to Carlsbad Caverns. The last time we were there, Ben was 14 months and Oliver was 5. Yeah, we're boondocking out here by Fort Stanton Snowy River Recreation Area. And it's really fun. The moon's really pretty. So, hello! How many do I give you? Oh, here's the
Good morning. That was a cozy night. We pulled in here last night on the way to Carlsbad Caverns just for a quick boondock. We're about halfway there from Albuquerque. Found this spot. This is Snowy River Conservation Area, White Mesa Dispersed. And it's just so handy, and we woke up and it's so pretty. And yeah, got cold last night. There's frost on the ground, but really not too bad. It was so cozy in the camper, no problems at all. So we're gonna take our time, pack up, and head on out to Carlsbad. We'll see you there.
We get down here and I'm gonna be disoriented.
You're gonna be covered in dog hair on the bed.
Oh, with your jammies.
You can't get back in my bed then.
Yeah, I want to get out of your bed. Oh, it's not warm yet. Is this the only heater in the camper?
No, there's another one by Dad's feet. You know what though, Oliver? That E-Pro, the bigger brand, the dinette turns into a bed. You could turn the dinette into a bed every night and sleep there. And we would have to kick you out of bed to eat. No, because if we use the dinette to eat on,
We can eat on Oliver.
right?
Oliver will sleep in the bed on the thing, and then we'll have to eat on him.
Hey guys, we are in the middle of nowhere. Actually, we're just outside of Carlsbad, and tomorrow we're going to Carlsbad Caverns. Today, we're gonna visit a wild cave, pretty close to Carlsbad, but kind of on the down low, kind of secret. You can actually see this escarpment back here is the Guadalupe escarpment. And if you focus in really carefully, you can see the National Park Visitor Center. So that kind of lets you know a little bit where we are. We're on the Gypsum Plains, and we're gonna go visit a little gypsum cave. It's gonna be real fun. We're really excited. And it's so cozy. Once again, our camper is so cozy. So yeah, later tonight, we're looking forward to a barbecue, maybe some steaks or some chicken thighs or something, but
We're headed to cave number 69, 71, or 82. Who knows?
Poppy.
that totally looks like some old-timey caver trailer.
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
Going in last. Ooh. Love going in last. Be the one to shut the governmental only door behind us. Oh no, wrestling.
Well, that looks like a little area.
Oh yeah, go over there.
Okay, where do we go?
You want to put that in your pocket or in your caving pack?
Yeah, I don't have these.
Well,
you took our photo.
Sup, bruh?
Oh, is it?
It was, I think so.
Could be passages anywhere. Looking straight up, you might find something.
That's true. You can see where people put their hands all along here, where it's all like just colored.
Yeah. This goes to the other entrance.
Really? That's cool.
Do you want to come back and do it on the way out?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Oh, look, it's getting damp. There's.
It's noise time.
Straddle.
Oh, it is slippery.
Gotta straddle it real
Oh,
It's like over.
good. Children never dry.
I have changed shoes. If I get my shoes wet, that's fine.
This looks man-made.
I brought boots, Dad. Along with this.
Straddle chasm.
Oh.
See at the entrance? Oh, that looks so cool looking back there. Did you see at the entrance it said, "Don't be a drowning victim"? They're talking like seriousness because this cave fills up with water when it rains.
That's cool. So where does it all go?
Out the bottom.
There's a bottom?
Yeah.
That's cool. Can we find it? Can we fit through it?
Oh, it's like miles away.
So this could be like a secret exit if you're like trying to get away from someone. Oh, look, there's something back there.
Oh, there's another area over here that I can go.
I'm gonna go this way.
What is it drawing?
Over.
Over there? Is that what you're talking about?
Hello.
Do you want to see that?
I'm going in here. Ooh. What's in here? Guys, we need knee pads that I slipped my knee with. Don't.
The southwest has the best sunsets and landscape ever.
It's a frisbee. Don't you? No, don't crack. Oh my goodness. Oh goodness, that's pretty.
Ollie.
Oh, good morning. That was a glorious night. Whee! A bunch of fun caving at this spot. We're gonna start packing up here in a few after breakfast. We're gonna head up there to Carlsbad Caverns National Park and check out the cave. That was a great night. It's already warm out. I think it's like 60 degrees already. We're expecting a cold front to come by tomorrow. It's gonna be 30 degrees colder, hard freeze, chance of snow. So we're really enjoying this weather. It's gonna change. Catching up to the family. They're at the visitor center of Carlsbad Caverns National Park. This is fun. We've all been here before. It's been about 9 years. Benjamin was, I think, 14 months when we were here before. So, I mean, it's been so long, it's kind of like we're all going again for the first time. And I'm really excited. It's one of my favorite caves, one of the best caves in the world.
So here's the visitor center. This is, isn't that the elevator?
That is, yep.
This is mushroom. Yeah.
So this is the main corridor here. Yeah, we got a big hike ahead of us.
This is really cool.
All the way down to there.
Thin.
We are at Carlsbad Caverns.
No, you got the trees.
Ben. Well, I can do it.
It was just a little short drive to Bottomless Lakes State Park here by Roswell, New Mexico. We got a little campsite here by a couple of the lakes. Lots of mosquitoes. This is really mosquito-y. Looks like they've had some floods here recently. Everything's kind of damp and soggy. There's like standing water kind of in the between places, between the roads and the campsites and things. So yeah, that's probably the reason for the mosquitoes. It's interesting. We're gonna go check out the lakes. We're all set up and kind of hunkered down against the mosquitoes. It's a little rough. So we opted for not the main campsite with the hookups because we figured this is a little cheaper. We're kind of far away. Maybe the dog can be off the leash a little bit more, and maybe I can fly the drone too. So anyway, we'll check it out and let you know.
I'm pretty sure there's like nuts in here or something. I don't know.
Hello all. It's Monday morning and we are contemplating not traveling home today like we originally planned. It is really windy and cold outside, and we checked weather forecasts, and our journey between here and Albuquerque, they're expecting wind gusts of 50 miles an hour. There's nothing but big open plains, no shelter with the trailer. We're a little intimidated by that. We don't want to risk flipping the trailer over, and last year we heard of an RV that flipped because of a big windstorm like this. We are at a little campground here at Bottomless Lakes. We're gonna move camps and go down the road. There's actually camps with hookups, and we'll probably just hunker down there, hook up and run, some fun games and stuff, and watch TV and try to just make the most of this. But as for now, I think we're not going back to Albuquerque today. Stay tuned. Wow, what a difference 24 hours makes. At this point yesterday, we were just getting out of the cave and coming down the mountain towards Carlsbad, and it was 78 degrees. Right now, it's about 34. Last time we checked, it feels even colder with a biting north wind. I'm in no rush to get home, but we got to get the kids back to school eventually. Anyway, we'll touch bases with you as it progresses.
I'm tall and taking what I can't run at all. Well, I'm glad you're not holding